Hello everyone and welcome to Trupti's Revive Nutrition. I'm sure everyone is doing good at their home. There is a saying, you are what you eat, and this is absolutely true. It doesn't show you the effect immediately in a 1 month or 2 months, but over the years it shows you the effect. What you eat during your 20s will show you in the 30s. We all love sugar foods, right? Sugar and sugar rich foods. And why will not? We all love to have chocolates, we all love to have cakes, pastries, and so many other things. And why we will not love the sugar foods? Because it gives a taste to the food. It enhances, it gives you an immediate dose of energy. It increases your happy hormones. So why we will not love it? We will definitely love it, and everybody loves it, from children to adults. But as we know that anything in excess is dangerous, same goes with the sugar as well. Yes, if you are having about 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of sugar in the day, it's absolutely not going to harm you in the long run. But having an extra amount of the sugar daily, and on the top of that having some hidden sugar foods, will affect your body, will affect your health in the long run. So let us understand today in this video exactly what happens when you have too much amount of sugar in the diet. Sugar, not only your table sugar I am talking about, but also the hidden sugar which are there in the pre-packaged foods like your chips, your bakery products, and so many things are there. So let us understand that. So number one is, too much of sugar consumption lead to the weight gain. It leads to obesity. We all know that, right? Excess amount of sugar is converted into fat and it is stored in the cells as the fat. And this results in the weight gain or obesity, and obesity leads to many other disorders in the body. Sugar creates a problem for the pancreas. When you consume high sugar diet, the blood sugar level rises. It makes the cells insulin resistant. The insulin is there in the body, but it is not able to do its work. And because of that, what happens? It leads to a type 2 diabetes mellitus. Yes. So sugar directly doesn't give you a diabetes mellitus. It actually, overconsumption or too much of consumption over a period of time will lead to the type 2 diabetes. So if you're having a high sugar food today night, tomorrow you will not get diabetes, but over the period the cells become resistant. Sugar hurt your heart also. It also affects your heart. Sugar harden the consumption of the sugar harden your arteries, your heart arteries, and it also damages your heart tissues, leading to heart attack and stroke. Sugar not only creates a problem for this pancreas or heart, it also affects your liver and kidney, which is the main important organ of the body. Too much of sugar in the diet trigger the liver cells to store fat in the liver, and that leads to fatty liver, which is very, very common in today's generation. And it also, when too much amount of sugar is there, the blood sugar level rises, and it makes the kidney to spill the sugar level, to spill the high blood glucose into urine, which damages the kidney tissues. Indirectly, in short, it creates a lot of pressure on the kidneys, which damages the kidney tissues, and it affects your kidney health. So sugar not only, and we all know from childhood we try to make our children avoid chocolates, cakes, and other sugary foods. Why? Because it leads to a dental decay. For bacteria, sugar is the primary food for the bacteria. So if you have eaten something sweet and if it stays there, if you don't brush your teeth, what happens is it becomes a food for the bacteria, and the bacteria keeps growing, leading to a dental cavity or tooth decay. So too much of sugar is definitely bad. So you need to brush your teeth properly twice a day. Not only that, sugar, it also affects your skin. When you have sugar, it enters your bloodstream, it attaches to the protein. This leads to the loss of elasticity of the skin, leading to premature aging. So even if your age is just 36, you will still look 40-45 if you have too much sugar foods over a period of years. This leads to wrinkles, this leads to sagging also. So sugar, excess amount of sugar or too much of sugar consumption, in short, affects your overall health, whether it is your vital organs, your skin, your hair, your immunity, and yes, definitely, how can I forget about immunity? Immunity is the most important factor in this COVID pandemic. We have to keep our immunity strong to get rid of COVID. But having too much of sugary foods, what happens is it feeds the bacteria in the body and lower down your immunity, making you prone for more infections. Yes, so too much of sugar or too much of high carbohydrate or refined foods will lead to low immunity, and which will make you to prone to many infections, not only COVID but other bacterial infections as well. Yeah, so make sure you are having a meal, or you are planning your meal in such a way that it is not high in sugar, high in refined carbs, or the bakery products. Yeah, so I hope you understood how sugar is going to be harmful in the long run, and if you understand it right away and you make the changes right away, you are actually increasing your shelf life. You are actually increasing the life of your years, the coming years, and you will be able to live happy and healthy. And I am sure nobody wants to live a life in a stress, depression, or with any disease. Right? So start making the changes right away, right now. And if you're watching this video, share it to as many people as you can, because in today's time, the consumption of the sugar, the consumption of the junk food is going way beyond, and it is very important for all the generations from childhood, adult, teenagers, everybody to understand how the sugar is going to impact your health. Yeah, so till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough, and sleep deep, and yes, stay safe at home. Thank you.